Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Titan key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to prevent losing any small parts. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now that you have your tools, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might slide out. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Nissan key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Now, it's time to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Nissan Titan to ensure everything is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, for more great tips and other deals, check the description below, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.